Experiencing issues with your Volvo XC60's infotainment system, like a frozen screen or connectivity problems? A reset is often the solution. There are three main types: a reboot, soft reset for minor glitches, a factory reset, hard reset for persistent issues, and touchscreen specific fixes for responsiveness problems. These resets address software related issues, not hardware failures. We'll cover each method, showing you how to troubleshoot effectively. As of October 2025, Volvo's over the air updates have reduced the need for manual resets, but these methods remain valuable for resolving problems. Let's walk through each reset method. For a reboot, also called a soft reset, on 2018-2025 models, first turn off the car completely. Then hold the infotainment screen's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. On 2023 and newer Google integrated systems, press and hold the volume and power buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. A factory reset or hard reset erases all data. Access the settings menu, navigate to System, then Reset, then Factory Reset. A PIN may be required if set. Confirm the reset. Back up your data first using the Volvo On-Call app to avoid losing personal information. For touchscreen calibration on 2020 and newer models, go to Settings, then Display, then Touchscreen Calibration, and follow the on-screen prompts. If calibration fails, try a factory reset. Always ensure the vehicle is running or the battery is well charged during these processes.